Welcome to the Virtual Scholar. Today we'll be discussing the concept of emotional artificial intelligence. Can machines develop empathy? This topic has been gaining more and more attention in recent years, and I'm excited to dive into it with you. Let's start by defining what we mean when we say emotional. Emotion is a type of artificial intelligence that attempts to simulate or replicate positive and negative human emotions. It can be used to create robots or computer programs that can interact with humans more naturally. Now let's look at the history of emotional and how it has evolved. We'll start with some of the earliest attempts at creating emotionally intelligent machines, starting with ELIZA from the 1960s. ELIZA was one of the first chatbots designed to mimic conversations with humans using simple pattern recognition techniques. While this was an essential milestone in the development of AI, it wasn't truly able to understand or respond to emotions. Emotional AI has come a long way since the first attempts at creating emotionally intelligent machines. Subsequent developments in artificial intelligence have given rise to further advances in dynamic AI technology. In the 1980s and 1990s, researchers focused more on creating AI systems that could recognize and respond to emotions. This was done by using techniques such as natural language processing and facial recognition software. In addition, researchers began incorporating elements of psychology into the development of emotional AI, such as empathy and emotional regulation. This led to the creation of robots that could recognize, interpret, and respond to human emotions. It also enabled researchers to develop AI systems that could understand and respond to nonverbal cues, such as facial expressions, tone of voice, and body language. These developments in emotional AI have created more natural, conversational interactions between humans and AI systems. As a result, companies such as Google, IBM, Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon have developed versions of emotional AI technology in recent years. These AI systems can understand and respond to various emotions, from joy and excitement to fear and anger. They can also detect and react to subtle nuances in human behavior. As a result, companies can provide more personal and meaningful customer experiences using these AI systems. Fast forward to today, and emotional AI has become increasingly sophisticated. Thanks to advances in machine learning algorithms and natural language processing, computers can now understand human emotions on a deeper level than ever before. This has allowed for the creation of more natural, conversational interactions between humans and AI systems. As a result, companies such as Google, IBM, Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon have developed versions of emotional AI technology in recent years. These AI systems can understand various emotions, from joy and excitement to fear and anger. They can also detect and react to subtle nuances in human behavior. As a result, companies can provide more personal and meaningful customer experiences using these AI systems. The potential applications of emotional AI are vast. For example, it could help people with mental health conditions such as depression or anxiety by detecting subtle changes in their emotional states. In addition, it could better understand customers' needs and preferences, foreseeing subtle dynamic changes during interactions. Additionally, it could be used to create more natural and engaging interactions between humans and AI systems. For instance, AI-powered virtual assistants could be designed to understand and respond to a user's emotions more meaningfully. Overall, emotional AI can potentially revolutionize how humans and machines interact. By understanding and responding to human emotions more sophisticatedly, AI systems could help create more natural and engaging interactions between humans and computers. This could lead to more meaningful customer experiences, better mental health support, and more effective decision-making. So what does this mean for us? Well, emotional AI could have a significant impact on our lives in several ways. For one thing, it could make interacting with machines much easier and more natural feeling for humans. This could benefit several applications, such as customer service or online shopping. It could also help businesses better understand their customers' needs and preferences by allowing them to detect subtle emotional changes during interactions. AI systems could then use this information to provide more personalized services or products. Additionally, this technology could be used to create more natural and engaging conversations between humans and AI systems. For instance, AI-powered virtual assistants could be designed to understand and respond to a user's emotions more meaningfully. Finally, emotional AI could also be used for therapeutic purposes. such as helping people who suffer from mental health issues or anxiety disorders by providing them with an empathetic companion that understands their feelings and offers helpful advice or support when needed. This type of AI could also create more comprehensive mental health support systems that provide personalized advice or recommendations based on an individual's emotional state. AI-powered virtual assistants could also provide early warning signs of a mental health crisis, allowing healthcare professionals to intervene before the situation escalates. In addition, this technology could be used to create more natural and engaging conversations between humans and AI systems, allowing people to communicate more effectively and provide feedback that can be used to improve the accuracy of the AI system. These applications could potentially revolutionize how we provide mental health services and help improve the lives of those with mental illnesses. So there you have it. Emotional artificial intelligence is an exciting new field with great potential for enhancing our lives in many ways. But only time will tell if it can genuinely develop genuine empathy like humans. Stay tuned. So there you have it. Emotional artificial intelligence is an exciting new field that has excellent potential for improving our lives in many ways beyond providing mental health support. This technology could also automate mundane tasks, such as scheduling appointments or managing emails, or create more natural conversations between humans and AI systems. AI could also provide personalized advice and recommendations based on an individual's emotional state, allowing healthcare professionals to intervene before a situation escalates. Furthermore, AI-powered virtual assistants could give early warning signs of a mental health crisis and offer helpful advice or support when needed. These applications could potentially revolutionize how we provide mental health services and help improve the lives of those with mental illnesses. However, only time will tell if AI can truly develop empathy like humans. Stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content from the Virtual Scholar. Until next time, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content from the Virtual Scholar. Until next time.